Here's my 2014 Ram Promaster 2500. Put a motion window on the side. Got some Vision 16-inch rims and some Pathfinder Sport AT tires on there. Designed a decal for the side. On top, and if you can see, I have 2 solar panels and a max fan for some ventilation. Put some side steps. These are the car side steps. Got the large one there and a smaller one there. Coming around the back, you can see coming out of the back door, I have a Frigidaire 5000 BTU window air conditioning unit that hooks up to my shore power plug located right here. On the other side, I have another door which I use to access the back side of my kitchen, which I'll show you in just a minute. Alright, as we open the slider, immediately you'll see the kitchen. Got a microwave up top, an induction cooktop that I store right here that can be brought down and used on the countertop. I have a sink, water pump, clean water, dirty water, right back there behind that. Got my Magic Chef freezer, fridge. Had to put these little Velcro straps on here to keep contents from flying out. In motion, that is. Now, back in the back, I have the bed deck with the air conditioning unit. I have my acoustic guitar mounted up here. Some road jams. I have the little utility pouch there. That's the fridge buddy, I think it is, which my wife got me for the fridge, but I wound up building out this whole little kitchen setup here. Got a paper towel roll and sink and all. Got the television here with a Bose sound bar mounted to the roof right above it. I have over here switches for the lights. I have fans in every corner. These little 12-volt fans in every corner. As you can see, we have the under rail LED lighting. I have a remote control here. You can change it to any mode you want, really. And then the air conditioning unit, I have the remote control right here. Turn this guy on and set the thermostat. Instantly cool off the van very easily. And then I have a passenger's chair that swivels around. And in the floor, I added post for a table that goes between my Ford E350 bench here that is bolted to the frame, and underneath the bench I have all of our pots and pans and utensils and contents and whatnot under there. And then this seat has built-in seat belts, so there's 2 seat belts, And then all my electronics are back here. My battery is a 200 amp hour, 12 volt battery. I have an inverter, 1500 watt inverter, solar charger. I have a battery charger hooked up here as well for when I'm hooked up to shore power. 2 plug outlets, one for the battery and one for the shore power. And that powers everything. There's fuses and switches and a kill switch and everything tucked back in there neatly. I'm going to have my little meter here, that handy dandy readout. I got cup holders, fold away cup holders located on both sides of the sofa, plus one back over the bed. Little convenient pouches. And that is basically my van. This was built for my band and to camp out with my wife and daughter, which we've done so a couple times. Works out great for the band. I'll show you underneath the bed deck where I store all my musical gear. Here we are on the back side of the van again. The air conditioning unit I bolted on with these heavy duty L brackets and put the same brackets inside so it's sandwiched onto the door. It's going absolutely nowhere. And I put a cage around the back so that it doesn't get dented in. Now here's the, I also added this strap here in case the door swings open. It doesn't bash the air conditioner in the side of the van. So under here is where I keep all my band gear. Put little boxes around the wheel wells to store cables and batteries and things like that. And this net you see here actually comes up and attaches to these harness points all around and creates a mesh cage on the front of the bed, so that when we stack gear up in the front, it doesn't fall forward, or on top of the bed rather, it doesn't fall forward. So and on the driver's side door exposes the back of my kitchen, my fridge, my clean and dirty water. Here's my water pump, a little kill switch there just in case things go crazy. You can see in the driver's seat I mounted my Max Air remote control there, because if we're back in the belly of the beast, we can reach up and adjust that as we need. So I mounted that there. I have a RAM mounts, phone mount there. I put my garage door opener there. Little sunglass holder up here. This is the reverse camera radio, so I hooked mine up, flip this little switch down here and turn the camera off and on so that I can have the camera on whenever I want. So in a nutshell, that is my Promaster.